got a Lexus RX350 2010 model. Here we're going to do a service reset. So the way you do this is you turn the ignition on, and in the dash here you'll have a warning saying service required. So the way you reset this is with these things here. You go to menu, you will be up to this menu, scroll using this like a mouse pad, you go to setup and hit enter on the side to enter this screen. From here you go to vehicle, hit enter again, and then you scroll through to maintenance, hit enter again, and here you'll be shown oil is due and service is due. So the way you reset this, easy way to do it is hit reset all. Make sure you want to reset maintenance items, and that's as easy as that. All items have been reset. Thank you very much for watching.